Good morning, student. In this session, we will study the design of bolts subjected for eccentric loading. We will take the second case. Load acting. This is the load acting perpendicular to the axis of bolt. This is the axis of bolt and the load is acting perpendicular to the axis of bolt. This is the figure. Direct shear load on each bolt. As the bracket is loaded, the bolts here are subjected for direct shear. Here direct shearing will be there. So direct shear load on each bolt is equal to Ws is equal to W upon N, where N is equal to number of bolts and W is the total load. Eccentric load, W will try to tilt the bracket in clockwise direction. This load will try to rotate the bracket about this tilting edge, about the tilting edge A, and the bolts will be subjected to tensile stress due to turning moment. Therefore, the maximum tensile load on a heavily loaded bolt Wt may be determined by, from this equation, Wt is equal to small w into L2, that is equal to W multiplied by L multiplied by L2 upon 2 in the bracket L1 square plus L2 square. Where small w is the load on each bolt per unit length, and expression for that is already determined in the previous lecture, where the load is parallel to the axis of bolts and load is acting eccentrically. As bolts are subjected to combined shear and tensile load, here shear load is there and here tensile load is there. So the equivalent load may be determined by Wt is equal to half in the bracket Wt plus root Wt square plus 4Ws square, and equivalent shear load equal to Wse is equal to half in the bracket root Wt square plus 4Ws square. From these equations we can calculate the value of Wte and Wse. From the strength equation, sigma t is equal to Wte upon pi by 4 dc square and tau is equal to Wse upon pi by 4 dc square. We will calculate the value of dc from these strength equations and we will take the larger value. So this is about the design of bolt subjected for eccentric loading when the direction of load is perpendicular to the axis of bolt. Thank you very much. In the next session we will take the numerical based on this article.